There's nothing as annoying as having a weave that just matted up at the back and the hairs are all tangled up. Well, I'm going to be showing you how to detangle easily the matted hair at the back. I'm going to be using the Revel Nourish hairspray. You're going to spray the spray on the area where the hair is matted and tangled up. Then you're going to massage the spray into the hairs so that it sticks onto the hair strands. This will make the hair slippery and make it easier for you to detangle it. What you're going to do now is you're going to take a brush, then brush the hair from the tips all the way to the roots. But it's much easier to actually just brush it from the tips going up to the roots. But just to show you how well the hairspray works, I decided to do it from the roots going down to the tips. The matting becomes looser and the hair strands become easier to brush through. And there you have it, your weave is unmatted and it's detangled.